This is not your average egg, ham and cheese sandwich. Make it once and you'll never look back. Now you might be tempted to skip all the way to the making of the sandwich, but trust me, stay here because there are a few crucial steps that I recommend you following in order to get it right. There is nothing worse than getting a sandwich that has the wrong balance between the amount of bread and the amount of filling. And by buying a whole bread, you can slice it and you can control the thickness of your bread the way you like it. Now there are two simple reasons why we want butter in this recipe. One, it's obvious, it's for flavor, but the other one is because we want the filling of the sandwich to get stuck to the bread slices. And this is a great way of doing it by adding flavor, but also you're solving the other problem too. And I'm using mozzarella cheese, but if you wish, you could go with American cheese or cheddar, whatever you've got available and you prefer. I like mozzarella and I like buying it in blocks. There are two reasons for this. One, they come at better price, but two, which is again important for this recipe, is that it melts better than buying it ready grated. And that's because the grated cheese has a starch content added to it, or an agent that keeps the cheese not getting stuck together, but that also prevents it from melting properly, which is a problem. And now we're following with the sliced ham in a nice thick layer. And in terms of seasoning, obviously we've got quite a few salty things here, like the ham and the cheese has quite a bit of salt content. So I'm only adding a bit of freshly ground black pepper, and we're finishing with another layer of mozzarella cheese. Press so it all stays nice and compact in one piece, because now we want to move to the next process, which is coating it in egg. We've got 2 eggs here. They can go straight in, a splash of cold water, pinch of salt, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Beat everything together until you get a nice homogeneous consistency. And now our sandwich can go in. And once I'm adding it in, I give it about 1-2 minutes, let it soak some of that egg into the bread before we flip it over, and we do the same for the other side. Now set the pan on medium heat, and to this we're adding about 30 grams of butter. And with the butter melted, now the sandwich can go in. And in terms of cooking time, we're gonna cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until it gets golden brown in color and the egg is cooked all the way through. And you can get it into the oven for about 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, because I want the cheese to melt properly. The cheese seems to be melted, so we can remove this from the heat. Now, if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to check this video right here. And if you want to be up to date with cooking tips and new simple recipes, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter, which is in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one.